we've come out with a new system of soft luggage called our Dry Spec system. And this is just the beginning of a lot to come. What's so innovative about the Dry Spec system is dry bags have been around for a long time in the outdoor community. But traditionally, motorcyclists have just been strapping these things onto bikes with bungee cords and anything that was available. What we've done is we've gone from the ground up and we've really innovated a system that works. Some of the key features about our Dry Spec bag here, this is our D38 Dry Spec bag. This bag has a solid core. It's one of the only laser welded PVC bags out there that actually has a solid core. So this bag is completely rigid from the factory. So when it gets strapped onto a bike, it doesn't actually have to have anything in it, which is a key feature. This also creates a lot of versatility in the bag so that it can be used on any type of motorcycle. Now we have it featured here on a Yamaha Tenere, compliments of the folks over at the Yamaha factory booth. And we have it, you can see here, easy to strap on, universal fitment system, but we also decided to build in a little convenience for you too. We have our new quick clip system, which is a quick disconnect system that we've integrated into the bag. 2 seconds and you can just unclip these 4 points, take the bag right off the bike and be ready to go into work or wherever you're gonna be. To make sure that you use the bag correctly, we've designed a few key features into it. The roll top design allows it to be totally waterproof. The way we've gusseted the end of the bag here is designed so that you will never be able to under-roll the bag. So you can't, the way it's set up, you won't ever have a problem with not having enough rolls to make sure that you have your watertight seal. Inside the bag, there's a vinyl core. The vinyl core is removable for cleaning, so you can, if something spills inside your bag or anything like that, you can take care of it. Going one step further, adventure touring riders and touring riders in general always need more space. So we came out with another bag. Now, this is more of a traditional dry bag in the sense that it's soft-sided. It doesn't have the hard core in it. But what we decided to do to make it a little more innovative is make it a dual-end bag. Access in dry bags has been a problem a long time. If you've been using them, you pile stuff into it and you never really get a chance to have access to it unless you're in like a hotel room or something. What we've done here is we've actually set it up so that you have 2 opening ends on the bag. So even while it's strapped into your bike, you can open it up and access the bag. Both of these bags are designed to be used independently. We've also created a strap system, as you can see here, these daisy chains alongside for load control and load shift, so that these things will not slide around on the bike when they're strapped in. They're going to be very secure, but it also allows them to attach to one another to create what we call the D66 system. 66 liters of perfectly dry storage in any weather condition. If you have any questions, I have one of my associates walking around handing out some flyers with detailed information on this. And we can also check out some of our other features here at the marketplace with our S1000 RNG racing bike over here, our BMW R12 GS adventure bike, as well as our Alaska trip that we give away every year to one of the lucky attendees of the motorcycle shows. So I thank you all for your time. I know you have a busy schedule today. If you have any questions, my name is Adam Redford. I'm the marketing manager with Twisted Throttle, and I'll be here all day. Thanks.